All right, so you definitely got the concept for that for the Virtual Studio. It's firmly aligned, so that's a good point for that. But there's no actual alpha channel on it. Let me see right here. If you look to the Lambert right here, where's your alpha channel? Oh, yeah, because you have to make a folder. That's what happened. Um, yeah. So you need to make a folder big time. At the beginning, you have a set project, all right, and you set your project to a certain file, basically, all right, which will give you the possibility after that to grab everything at once. So that doesn't happen. Okay. So make sure you do that next time. Very important. Okay. Because without it, that's not going to work very well. Now you need to go at the bottom in the hardware texturing right here, change the none to combine texture, all right, and to the top right here, let's see, I'm not sure I can, yours is working properly, I'm not sure, it should be, it's just my graphic, something is wrong. Let me see your map, just a second. Okay, that should work, you should be okay. It's just my graphic card, so don't worry. Okay. But yes, again, you haven't it's two different maps. That doesn't represent the shape of that right here, so this is a problem big time. In reality, you need to basically grab that file right here and make it white inside and black outside, which is not the case right here. It is black and white the proper way, but it's not the shape of that at all. I cannot recognize that whatsoever, so there's a problem right there big time. Okay, let me get to your other file. Okay, right again also, you don't have the path, let me bring them. Okay, actually to make a PAM tree you don't even need to, you can use only one, it's circular, cylindrical object, so let's look at that. Well, I don't know what's going on here. Let's see, you get multiple one on top of each others. Okay, now this is very round, the shape you need to do is very round. What you did is very bulky. You need to redo that. That's not going to work out at all. That was just, you went too fast. And you have triple edges and stuff right there. It's totally worthless. You need to take them out. So let me show you quickly how it works. You haven't done the work properly at all, not one. Okay, it's very, very simple. In reality, you just make sure you center that properly. So I'm going to put it as much as possible in the center right here. I make a box, or you can start if you want to with a cylinder. So I'll show you the cylinder, I already show you the box, so I'll show you the cylinder. All right, you are going to want your cylinder to not have too many rounded face. So you are going to basically go into my cylinder input and give it less right here, maybe 8 will be way enough for us. Okay, and now you're just gonna extrude it up. Make sure this is at the same height. You haven't placed your studio properly either, you know, and you are going to extrude it up basically now. Make sure it's the same size. So I'm scaling it down right here, and I'm going to start extruding right there by grabbing the top of the faces and doing a simple extrude using the space bar, and go to edit mesh, extrude, and go up. All right, and start scaling down my object the way it looks like, and extrude again, scale down my object. Oops, that's moving, sorry. Let me activate the scaling right here, and extrude again. That's how you need to do it all the way to the end. All right, and then you have a tree, I can assure you. Let me see. And here you go, I got a tree right there. It took me less than 2 minutes to do that, so make sure you do that too.